welcome to my channel. In this episode, I will talk about how I prioritize exercise in my life eventually as a working mom with 2 kids and a meticulous job that requires long hours and undivided attention. I hope my story inspires and offers helpful tips for everybody. Exercising for at least 4 hours per week with intense sessions that make you sweat provides the following benefits that I recently learned. Sweating during exercise helps rid the body of toxins and impurities, supporting overall detoxification and promoting a clearer skin. High-intensity interval exercise releases endorphins, which I love, improving mood, reducing stress, anxiety, and symptoms of depression. Regular exercise strengthens the heart and lowering the heart diseases and stroke. Sweating through regular exercise helps burn calories and maintain a healthy weight, reducing the risk of obesity-related chronic conditions. Regular physical activity boosts energy levels and endurance, helping you feel more alert, creative, and productive throughout the day, which I need the most. Exercise promotes better sleep patterns, aiding in falling asleep faster and experiencing deeper and more restorative sleep, which we all need. And therefore, committing to 4 hours of exercise per week is an investment in my overall health and well-being, providing numerous physical, mental, and detoxification benefits. Experts actually recommend 6 hours of exercise per week. However, I'm still working up towards building that at least 4 hours of exercise per week. How I achieve that, I try to wake up early and try to squeeze in some early sunshine into my daily routine, which helps me to set my circadian rhythm for the day. Some experts recommend early morning exercise. However, I can't do it because I need to use the morning to prepare my kids for school. Therefore, I find that lunch hour works best for me. I prefer avoiding nighttime exercise to unwind and spend quality time with my family after work. I usually spend the evening cooking for my family, preparing meals that will last us for the next few days, while my husband spends quality time with our kids during that time. I also find that leaving exercise as the last thing to do during a long day is not going to work for me, as I get tired after taking care of all my responsibilities as a working parent. I think that winding down at night also helps maintaining a healthy sleeping routine throughout the day, which is the most important thing to do for our body. And for a successful career. And eventually, my preferred routine is a brisk gym session during lunch. It keeps me focused on my fitness goals and allows me to enjoy my favorite podcasts while working out. Lately, I have been aiming to burn about 400 calories per session in under an hour. I also aim to exercise 3 times during the work week and once over the weekend, prioritizing time for home and family in between. The day before a work day, I meticulously plan everything, coordinating school drop-offs and pickups with my husband, packing kids' lunch boxes with him, and organizing my gym bag and my own lunch box. This preparation helps maintain a healthy eating habits and manages my calorie intake effortlessly. I often skip lunch at work, relying on a nourishing breakfast to keep me energized until an early dinner, a habit I have maintained since early 2020 with intermittent fasting. For family time that doubles as exercise, yoga has become our favorite household favorite. My son loves joining me. It's heartwarming to see him exercise and do yoga poses with me, and sometimes we go some weekend activities such as swimming, biking. When I can't make it to the gym during the work week, I make up for it on weekends by aiming for my weekly goal of 4 hours of exercise, whether hiking in nature, using my elliptical in the garage, or doing bodyweight exercises at home. I find ways to stay active. Sometimes I've opted for online workouts, Zumba, or fitness apps in the evenings that my friends recommended me, eliminating the need for commuting to a gym. Choosing to live close to my workplace was a deliberate decision to enhance my work-life balance, especially with access to on-site gym facilities that I have. Prioritizing just 1 hour of exercise per day has been pivotal. It's about integrating fitness into my life, which suggests to me that it is a currently priority for me. I make sure to soak in at least 15 minutes of sunlight before getting back indoors after my commute back home from work. This routine helps me strike a balance between work, family, and fitness, demonstrating that with careful planning and dedication, staying active is achievable even with a full schedule. Basking in the sun helps maintain a circadian rhythm and regulate my vitamin D levels, which are crucial for my overall well-being, especially when spending long hours indoors at work. Please prioritize this for yourself as well. I didn't get a chance to do this for hours before I finished nursing my children. Finally, I'm finding more time since they are over 4 years old, both of them. Please note that this video I share with you is what works for me based on my personalized experience. For your personalized guidance, please consult with your doctor. And thank you for watching my journey getting back to regular exercise habits, and I look forward to sharing more with you at the next episode. Bye.